So today, is a very special day for me as today I have completed whole 1 year over here working as a software engineer at Uber. A lot of people have asked me about the work what I do over here at Uber, the projects what I work upon, how is the work culture, and what are the perks and benefits what I get over. The most important and my favorite part working over here at Uber is not the work what I do or the projects what I work upon, but it is the people whom I work with. Seriously, I feel very lucky enough to work with one of the best talented software engineers all across India. It is very great to work with such talented set of people where, whenever you are solving any challenging problem, you tend to come up with some innovative solutions, you get feedback very in a very better way, and these talented set of people help you improve more and make you think big. So I see a lot of difference when I joined Uber, and after 1 year I see myself as a completely different engineer what I used to be before. The code I write, the quality, the products which I ship now, the way I think, everything has changed. So, and this has not been possible without the people in my team whom I work with or my manager. I am really thankful to each one of them. So now let me tell you about the work what I do over here and the projects what I work for. So currently I am working as a part of finance engineering team over here at Uber, and we are building fintech products for the company. So these projects are quite critical, and when I started I was working on few of the smaller modules of these projects, and over 1 year now I have become owner of two of the critical projects over here. It gives you a sense of responsibility of building and delivering something very critical for a company. Every day I am solving some challenging task. I am working on writing some scalable code. When I say scalable code, it means that it takes a little more time when you are delivering it on the first go, but then when you have to add more features to the same product, or when you have to add more code to the same code base, it takes a minimal dev effort, and in the long run it is so fruitful. And then afterwards, what I have seen a difference working before in my previous companies and working over here is, before we even try to build something, we write a design doc for it where we write everything, what is the approach I am going to follow while building this. And some of the senior engineers review your documents, see the approach what you are following, and give their valuable feedback. And when we are working on these projects, we just don't focus on the quantity, but we give equal importance to the quality as well. When I say quality, it is the quality of code, it is the quality of user experience, it is the quality of the overall product which we are building. Actually, when we build something, we are proud of it. And this comes in a way because we are very much free to experiment and innovate. So whenever I am working on any challenging task, so I am free to experiment something. I am free to do it in my own way. I can discuss with my peers that this is how I am trying to do, and they provide some valuable feedback, and we do that. We get some good review comments, and that's how we work and come up to some great deliverables. So now let me tell you a little bit about the work culture over here at the Uber office. We keep on having these tech talk sessions where these smart people or the senior engineers come up and talk about some great technologies and some great way of doing things and solving some challenging tasks. One more thing which I like about the work culture, what I used to miss in my previous organizations, were the manager feedback. We can give feedback for the managers, and managers give valuable feedback for us as well. So when it is both ways and it is regular, then it's really truly amazing. You get to know a lot of improvement parameters in yourself. You improve yourself. I have seen myself evolving as an engineer over this 1 year, and it is majorly also because of how my manager gives proper feedback to me, and I incorporate that in my day-to-day work, and it really helps you evolve. This culture I like a lot. Other culture is contributing to open source. So Uber focuses a lot on contributing to open source and building open source products, and we also use a lot of open source technologies in our day-to-day life over here. Apart from that, there are always hackathons going on. We have FixIt weeks. So yes, FixIt week is another thing which I really like. So it is like we reserve, I think once in a quarter or half year, we reserve 1 week where we don't build other features, but we just try to fix everything in our systems, existing systems. Maybe they are bugs, or maybe there are some enhancements, or maybe how we can improve the code quality, coverage, anything which is like fixing our projects and getting them in shape. It is known as FixIt week over here, and I really like that concept. It is a good culture which every company, I think, should follow. Obviously, apart from that, we have regular team outings, we have year-end parties, quarterly parties. And so other favorite thing what I like about working over here is that whenever we are building a product, so we tend to follow best practices. So when I say best practices, I am talking about the code reviews, one of the critical pieces. Whenever you are writing some code and somebody else from your team is reviewing it, so they give you a valuable feedback. I have seen myself changing a lot. Now I write a lot better code than what I used to write. I have got through a lot of scrutiny while my code reviews, and that actually helps you learn and get better at coding. And not just about the code coverage, we focus a lot on the test coverage as well. So we write a lot of test cases, and one of the important and most interesting thing is that in our whole Hyderabad site, we don't have even a single QA engineer or a tester who is testing our products. So we write our code, we built it, we write test cases on our own, we test it on our own, and that is when we ship. And it's not that we are encountering a lot of bugs, and that is only possible when you have a good quality of test returns. Now I realize the importance of the test cases. And not just that, we also focus a lot upon the availability of our services. We keep on monitoring them. We have alerts in place. So that was about the technical things what I wanted to share with you all. Now let me tell you about more perks and benefits what I get over here working as a software engineer at Uber. So first of all is the salary part. So salary, I think Uber offers one of the best salary packages in India when you consider software engineers. Other important perk which I like about working over here is the flexible office timings, the cool environment where we work on, and especially I would like to give a special mention to the workstation. Seriously, right from the standing desk to your chairs to the equipments which we have provided, the laptop what we have, the headphones, the extra monitors what we have, you can set up your own desk, which can increase your efficiency a lot. And I think being a software engineer, this is a very great perk to have. Apart from this, Uber takes care of your health as well. So when I say health, previously I used to struggle a lot finding food. One tension in my mind has been reduced, that I don't have to now struggle for finding food. My breakfast, my lunch, my snacks, everything is sponsored by Uber, which I really like. And apart from that, in the workplace, we have gym, we have nap rooms where you can literally go and sleep. Nobody truly will bother you. So that's really truly amazing. Apart from that, we have a lot of games over there. We can play cricket, soccer, pool and whatnot. So these are really good perks when you see as the workplace should really have. It actually increases your productivity. And not just this much, we have a annual budget allocated for well-being reimbursement. You can take gym membership outside, you can take spa classes, you can have sports classes outside, you can buy fitness things, you can buy fitness products, and all will be reimbursed by Uber. We have a good medical insurance in place, and we obviously get Uber credits. So every month on the first date we get some credits onto our Uber accounts, where you can use it on to book Uber rides, or you can use it for ordering foods from Uber Eats. You can go out for vacations, you can also do work from home, and you have a good number of leaves so that you can enjoy throughout the year. If you ask me about the dislikes, to be very honest, I don't see any dislike over here, working over here, be it work or the projects or work culture or the perks or benefits or anything. But yes, a few things which I truly miss is the pace. Like whenever I used to work in small early age startups, we used to deliver very fast. But yes, it has its own disadvantages also. We never used to focus on code reviews. We never used to focus on the uh, test coverage and a lot of other processes, writing docs. That was disadvantage of that thing. But yes, we used to develop very fast. Like we used to code in the night, release it in the morning, and next day we used to see users engaging with our products. So that was kind of a different, altogether different sense of working. Over here we have to follow good practices. Apart from that, I don't see any other dislikes working over here at Uber. And I would definitely recommend anybody, if you are a software engineer, then do come over here at Uber and try to work over here in this culture. You'll truly appreciate it. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and also stay subscribed to this channel. I know that I was not able to make videos since a long time. Actually, I got stuck into some personal emergency at family, and also I had to manage work over here at Uber. So I was not able to make videos, but with this new year, I think now I will try to be more consistent in coming up with more videos and tutorials to share my knowledge, what I am learning over here day by day. So stay subscribed to this channel, and also just keep on learning new stuff. And that's all for now, and thanks for watching.